Working from home? Listen up, because the job market is shifting, and this affects you. Amazon, Google, Meta are cutting remote positions. Why? And how will it impact your career? Let's break it down. Folks, 8 out of 10 top managers want you back in the office. But what are they not telling you? Amazon demands full-time office work, and thousands of developers are jumping to competitors. Google scrapped flexible schedules for 20% of teams, including engineers in California. Dell says career growth is only for office workers. Sound familiar? Then ask yourself, why are bosses pushing so hard? Think it's about productivity? Nope. A 2024 Great Place to Work study shows remote workers are 42% more productive in top companies. Well, for example, remote call centers boosted output by 20%. But bosses want control. They care about seeing you at a desk, not your results. What does this mean for you? If your company calls you to the office, brace for traffic, 2-hour commutes, less time with family. But there's a way out. So, the job market's like a chess game. Some companies are ditching remote, others are hunting for you. Shopify pays developers up to $150K for remote e-commerce projects like their new checkout APIs. GitLab hires designers for UI/UX work on their DevOps platform. Airbnb needs marketers crafting campaigns from home, like their recent experiences ads. Even startups like Notion are hiring remote project managers. Buffer seeks content creators for social campaigns. Here's your plan, everyone. Check your company. Hearing office culture, that's a red flag. If your boss pushes team spirit or weekly in-person meetings, watch out. Update your LinkedIn. Highlight how you managed projects in Zoom, streamlined tasks in Trello, or automated reports in Notion. Those are your superpowers. Find remote jobs. Check Discord channels like Remote Dev, platforms like We Work Remotely, or boards like FlexJobs. For developers, analysts, copywriters, 70% of these gigs are hidden. So message recruiters directly on LinkedIn or Twitter. Remote work gives you control over how you work and live. Curious about what's happening out there? Drop a comment. Is your company pushing for the office or sticking with remote? Maybe you landed a gig, like a developer at GitLab, a marketer at Buffer, or a writer at Zapier. Tell us about your experience in the comments. It helps others. What's your work life like today? Let's hear it.